Imagine stepping into a world where your phone doesn't just keep up with you, it anticipates your every move, turning ordinary moments into something extraordinary. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't merely the next big thing. It's a bold statement etched in glass and silicon, reminding everyone that when it comes to pushing boundaries, they're still holding the crown. Whispers from the tech underground have been building for months, painting a picture of a device that's set to shatter expectations and redefine what's possible in your pocket. What excites you most about where smartphones are headed? AI smarts, camera wizardry, or displays that outshine the sun? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. As we edge closer to Samsung's big reveal at the 2025 Unpacked event, the puzzle pieces are falling into place, courtesy of trusted leaks that spill nearly every secret. From the sleek curves of its design to the raw power humming inside, it feels like Samsung has poured their soul into crafting a masterpiece that's equal parts art and engineering marvel. At the heart of this revolution lies the screen, a canvas so vivid and responsive, it'll make you forget what good enough even means. Picture this: a stunning QHD Plus OLED panel, reimagined with a cutting-edge M14 technology, clocking in at a silky 144 Hz refresh rate that turns every swipe into poetry, whether you're lost in a game or savoring a high-res film. And the touch? A mind-blowing 3,200 Hz sampling rate ensures your commands register faster than a heartbeat, making interactions feel almost telepathic. But wait, the real showstopper is the glow. Everyday viewing hits 2,600 nits of brilliance, while HDR peaks soar to an astonishing 6,000 nits, outpacing even premium televisions and laughing in the face of harsh sunlight. Layer on Dolby Vision, HDR 10 Plus support, and a clever anti-reflective finish, and you got a window to the world that commands attention. What's more, this powerhouse sips power smarter than ever, stretching battery life further while promising years of unwavering performance. Because true innovation isn't just about dazzling today, but enduring tomorrow. Samsung's vision doesn't end at eye candy. They're weaving in layers of smarts and safeguards that make this phone feel like a trusted companion. Fresh patents hint at a sly privacy shield that fogs the display from prying side glances, turning nosy onlookers' views into shadowy voids. Ideal in our always-connected age where discretion is your best defense. Paired with the unyielding strength of Corning Gorilla Glass armor and top-tier IP68 durability, the S26 Ultra stands ready for whatever life throws your way, blending fortress-like toughness with intuitive personal touches. Now, let's dive into the soul of every Samsung devotee's obsession, the lens that captures life's raw magic. Building on that iconic 200MP sensor, this beast evolves with AI-fueled fusion tech and instant tone mastery, ensuring each snap, be it a sunset silhouette or a midnight cityscape, bursts with lifelike hues, razor-sharp focus, and immersive depth, all processed in the blink of an eye. Envision a quartet of telephoto optics delivering seamless optical zoom at 2x, 3x, 5x, and a stunning 10x, pulling distant details into crystal clarity without a tremor, perfect for everything from stage-side thrills to lunar portraits. And for those who chase the perfect clip, 8K video returns refined, with rock-solid stabilization and AI-enhanced frame blending that crafts buttery footage for creators turning everyday stories into cinematic gold. It's not an iteration. It's the toolkit every storyteller dreams of wielding. Peel back the hood, and you'll find a symphony of speed and intelligence waiting to serenade your ambitions. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy, tuned exclusively for Samsung's touch, promises a 25% surge in processing muscle and a 35% leap in graphics prowess, all while running cooler and greener on power. But the true game changer lurks in the AI realm. A bespoke neural engine handles on-the-fly wonders like effortless photo tweaks, live translations that bridge languages mid-conversation, or even conjuring custom visuals from a simple voice prompt, no cloud required. Envision sketching a scene with words and watching it bloom on your screen, or having a lengthy video distilled into key insights at a glance. All of this dances flawlessly on One UI 7.1 atop Android 15, with fluid gestures, endless personalization options, and battery smarts that keep the energy flowing without a hitch. When it comes to stamina, Samsung's betting on evolution over revolution, anchoring the S26 Ultra with a robust 5,000 milliamp hours battery re-engineered via silicon carbon wizardry for a 10% capacity edge, quicker top-ups, and graceful aging that defies time. Fire up 45W wired charging or 15W wireless, and smart cooling tech ensures it stays chill through marathons of use. Designed to power your busiest days from dawn patrol to late-night scrolls, leaving compromises in the dust. Shifting to the silhouette that turns heads, the S26 Ultra honors its bold, angular heritage but carves it finer. Slimmer borders, tapered sides, and a featherweight titanium chassis that's tougher yet lighter than its predecessors, evoking that premium heft you crave without the bulk. Samsung's palette tempts with sophisticated shades like midnight titanium's brooding depth, ice blue's cool elegance, emerald gray's subtle sheen, and whispers of exclusive Red Horizon variant. Each one a testament to craftsmanship that begs to be held, admired, and owned. This flagship won't stride solo into the spotlight. It'll bring its family along for the journey. The compact Galaxy S26 for everyday heroes, the balanced S26 Plus, a potential S26 Edge revival nodding to curved screen nostalgia, and of course, the Ultra as the undisputed star. Eyes are on an early 2026 debut, though early peaks might tease us by late 2025, with fan-favorite S26 FE possibly trailing later to democratize these elite traits at a friendlier price point. Samsung's knack for inclusivity shining through once more. In the end, the Galaxy S26 Ultra emerges not as mere successor, but as a manifesto of mastery, a defiant roar that Samsung's innovation engine still revs the loudest. That jaw-dropping 6,000 nit canvas, the AI that thinks alongside you, the pro-grade imaging tucked neatly in your grip. It's a symphony of features that eclipses rivals and sparks envy. Sure, it'll command a premium tag, squaring off against titans like the iPhone 17 Pro Max, but weigh the wonders it unlocks, and it whispers a compelling truth. This could be the smarter path forward. Daring, visionary, and purely Samsung at its core. So if your heart's been yearning for a device that matches your fire with unyielding brilliance, the wait might just be worth every second. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.